What is going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Guys, Bitcoin is right now getting ready for its golden pump, okay? This is as close as you're going to get to something that's guaranteed in crypto. And the reason why this is so guaranteed is due to how much liquidity has been coming into the crypto space and the fact that December is and has previously been a very good month for crypto and Bitcoin specifically. If we go ahead and look at the long-term chart, guys, I want you to look back right here. In December of 2017, that's when we had our blow off top, our first big blow off top into the end of year for that 2017 all-time high. And then, guys, also back in 2020, December was a month where Bitcoin basically doubled, okay? So we can see here that December and going into January has twice historically been major moments for pumps, okay? And here everything is lining up perfectly, guys. We're going to look at the detailed chart now, and I'm going to show you why in more detail do I think we're going to get the golden pump, okay? So first things first, excuse the messy chart, but there is a reason for it, okay? What you see here is the Fibonacci extension, and we can see that we currently are even way past our first level of $31,000, okay? We massively broke out above that. We're actually pushing the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. We're above that, which means that we are yes, in a way partially overbought and overextended, but there is a reason behind it, okay? And that reason behind it is because we're seeing the golden end of year pump going into the end of December and moving into the beginning of January. It's going to be a great time for Bitcoin, guys. You did not miss out on any move, let me tell you that, because right now the price is actually still consolidating a little bit. We saw the first hints of a pump, and in fact, if we go back to the coin market caps, we can see that Bitcoin last 7 days is actually still leading the way here, up 2.48%, okay? And we have some altcoins like Solana that are off to the races. AVAX also still performing quite well here. We do have specific trades in the Right Trader VIP Elite group on Telegram, where we are in those trades right now making huge profits, and we're going to make thousands of dollars into this end of year pump on specific altcoins, because believe it or not, guys, as much upside as Bitcoin has here, and I'm going to tell you just how much upside it has, there are some altcoins that are going to outperform Bitcoin massively. We are already long on those coins. If you want to join in those trades before it's too late, make sure to go subscribe to the Right Trader Elite Telegram group. Link down in the description below. That is the VIP group, and we also have a free light Telegram group that you can join as well. So looking at Bitcoin here, we're seeing that we are blasting through these Fibonacci extensions. And now you might be asking, well, how high are we going to go? We're already at $42,000. Well, since we're already on this move where we're breaking past multiple high-level Fibonacci extensions, we're seeing that 50K, okay, exactly to be precise, $49,517 upside of 16% is basically guaranteed here, okay? We're already pushing this move here, and within a week or two, we should be at 50K. Now, you might ask, is that going to be it? Well, that is definitely going to be a very big resistance level, but seeing that the hype and liquidity that we have right now, I think we are going to make a move all the way up to possibly even $60,000, and it could be even as high as $67,000, $68,000 to push the highest Fibonacci standard deviation possible of 4.236. okay? Now, of course, right, every one of these that we're hit, it's going to be more and more of a blow off top, more and more of a crazy move, but all of this is possible and within reason, especially seeing that we're already pushing these higher levels, okay? We are way past the slow move higher. Now we're in full-blown breakout bullish extension. And yes, guys, I'm glad to say that 50K is basically guaranteed. And let me just tell you this, we're looking short term here, guys. If we zoom out a bit, I want you guys to realize that anything below $50,000, even below $60,000, is a steal of a lifetime for the next 3, 4, 5 years, where we're going to see Bitcoin most likely push $1 million, guys. So just think about that. We still have over 20x potential at this current price where Bitcoin is moving higher. So we have seen nothing yet, guys, nothing yet compared to what we're about to see. But yes, in the short term, guys, we are going to move higher. So what am I expecting exactly? Well, like I said, guys, very quickly here with, very small pullbacks. I don't expect any major slowdowns. We're going to push 50K We're gonna blast over higher, probably start pushing 55k. We might consolidate a little bit, and then we're going to blast to possibly 60k or even a little bit higher. Okay, 60k is going to be the most dangerous resistance level, where we could then see a pullback. We could extend all the way to 67, 68k. I don't know how likely that is, but 50k is guaranteed in my opinion. 60k is almost guaranteed as well. I'd say about a 75% chance of seeing that 60k level being hit. And once we hit that blow off top, though, we're going to have a lot of resistance in that area, as can be seen previously back here. So I do think that, you know, we're going to really skyrocket here. But, you know, by February, probably, we're going to start to see a pullback. Okay, and that pullback could be quite large. I do have to warn you guys. And why is that? You can see me drawing on the chart like a madman back here. I think we are in the mid bear cycle pump, okay, which means that after we hit our blow off top like we did back here, we're gonna get a retracement. Okay, now the good news is that it's nothing to worry about, and that could provide people who missed out on the run a massive buying opportunity, as will most likely pull back to at minimum 30k, and I'd say you know, as low as I expect would be about 25-26k. I don't think we're gonna go much lower than that. But anything, you know, that's going to be on those lower levels towards 30k or even below that are the buying opportunity of a lifetime. I'm glad to say I do think we're going to get that buying opportunity of a lifetime. But even now, guys, for the long term, great buy-in price. And we also have, you know, that nice upside here of basically 40% what it's looking like. And at minimum, guys, 16%. So Bitcoin is looking beautiful. Okay, we're also going to take a look at a couple other indicators here. One of the things I want to look at is the fear and greed index. We've seen us moving further into greed in the last month. That's exactly what we want to see. Okay, because right now you need to understand we are full-blown breaking out. We're gearing off for a blow off top. Okay, I'd say, you know, the absolute top is going to be probably end of December, middle of January, and then moving into February, we're going to start sliding back down. So what does that mean for us? That means that it's great that we're pushing greed. We're going to push a lot further. We're going to be heading into the 80s very soon. Okay, and if you want to catch these trades, guys, please make no mistake, join the best crypto exchange out there, Fairdesk. You can see their motto, guys: smooth trading, accurate copying. You can always trust Fairdesk. They are the best exchange out there. I've launched copy trading, okay, for followers of my VIP group, and you can check out our performance here, all visible to you guys. 7-day P&L up over $1,000. We're up 12% in the last 7 days. Might I add, guys, that I literally outperformed most major coins out there. Okay, so this is the power of being part of the VIP group of the Right Trader. You can join my trades automatically. Okay, when I make a trade, you join the trade with me, and you can see the types of profits we're making, guys. This is nothing. I'm going to show you a picture of the ROI, you know, by the end of the month, and it's going to be ridiculous, guys. It's going to be ridiculous. I'm already locked into my trades. Now, with that being said, guys, there are a couple altcoins that are going to perform very well here. Now, there are a few of them that I'm not going to share with you guys. That's only for the VIP group. But some altcoins that we are expecting to outperform Bitcoin is going to be Solana. It already has an Avalanche. Okay, Solana will perform a bit better, and you know, Solana could actually see a move to $100, even potentially past that. Now, I'm really giving you guys a treat here because this is a chart that I did share about a week and a half ago into the VIP group. But take a look at this, guys. We're also, you know, trying to break past that first big Fibonacci level of $77, which I think will happen as Bitcoin pushes higher to 50k, and that could open up the move to a move all the way up to $115, guys. It's gonna be nuts. Okay, this is truly the Bitcoin golden pump. Bitcoin will lead the way, and strong altcoins will follow, like Solana and others. This is not a time that you want to miss out on this. Okay, opportunities this guaranteed only come once every so often. And what's so great with this is we have the historical data twice to back these December blow-offs tops back in 2017 and in 2020 as well. Okay, so chart is looking extremely strong. Liquidity is looking extremely strong overall here, guys. I think we are in a golden setup for crypto into the end of the year. Like I said, guys, it's not often that we have stuff that's this guaranteed in the crypto space, but this time around, guys, it is looking doable. We're also going to take a look at Ethereum. I want you guys to notice Bitcoin, the biggest coin out there, is higher, pushing higher Fibonacci extensions than smaller coins, which is absolutely unbelievable and really shows the strength of Bitcoin. Ethereum slowed down a bit here, but it's going to take off as well, guys. We're expecting $2,500 ETH guaranteed, and probably blow off top for ETH is going to be right there at $3,000. To be precise, that Fibonacci of 1.618 is at $2,950. We could go as high as $3,000 though, okay? So Bitcoin, one of the strongest coins despite being the biggest, and it will lead the way for the market, okay? We can see the strength here, holding $42,000 beautifully. I'm not expecting a move back below 40K here. I think it's off to the races from here. And, you know, we are talking about this December 19th, guys. So these last few days of December heading into beginning of January, it's going to be nuts, guys. You can see the news here about all the Bitcoin ETFs. This is creating a huge amount of hype. I will warn you guys, though, that beginning of January, between January 5th and January 10th, is when the SEC will make a decision on those. We could get a denial. I don't think it will be a permanent denial, but that could cause what I'm talking about, where we're going to see the market roll back over, causing a very sharp pullback. Because historically, guys, we're still about 100 days away from the halving, and we have the historical data that shows that once we hit a blow off top, we're not ready before the halving to push new all-time highs. So this run that you're seeing here is not the bull run yet, okay? It is a bullish run, but it is not the bull run. However, it is the golden Bitcoin pump like we had during the blow off top here. Same thing is about to happen once again for Bitcoin. History repeats itself. We know the cycles of crypto. This is 8 years of experience in the crypto game, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the Right Trader VIP group to make thousands of dollars in profits with us on our exclusive trades that are shared with you guys, with take profits, with stop loss, with risk management, with trade management, all available to the VIP member, guys. Do not wait. This will easily pay for itself with the amount of profits that we're going to make. You can already see my copy trade profits just in the last 7 days, guys. We are just getting started. And of course, we'll finish off with a little news piece here, guys. Altcoins rally as Bitcoin climbs back to 43K. Okay, this confirms everything that I'm telling you guys during this video. We can see the massive outperformance of Bitcoin and ETH compared to other traditional markets. And we know coins like AVAX and Solana have been absolutely flying higher, pushing highs that no one even expected this early, but yet they're doing it, guys, and it is not done yet. We said at least $100 Solana before we fall back over, guys. This is a crazy opportunity, and the best thing about this is that it's so guaranteed, and even better, guys, is if you miss any of this for some reason, which I highly recommend you don't, okay? Not financial advice, just my personal opinion. If you miss out on this move, guys, which is a beautiful 40% move on leverage that you can take, golden opportunity, okay? If you miss that, guess what, guys? We're probably going to get a pretty big pullback. Like I said, could be as low as 30K or even a bit lower. Basically getting a 50% discount before the real bull run. The real bull run that will push 1,000% plus potentially returns for Bitcoin, pushing us towards $500,000 on our way to $1 million Bitcoin price, guys. A lot of noobs are not paying attention to the crypto market anymore, but they will be paying attention to it when Bitcoin is at 500K and at $1 million and going to be wondering why they didn't buy. I'm telling you right now, guys, you saw the analysis. This is the best analysis of crypto on YouTube. 8 years of experience in the crypto space. I've been around during the previous bull markets. I've been around in the previous bear markets, and I've been around all throughout the way up until this moment, guys. The profits that you can make right now are some of the most guaranteed profits in crypto, which is very rare, guys. So don't wait. Subscribe, like, get on a good exchange, Fairdesk, okay? It's not the time to be playing games on risky exchanges that you can't trust. Join Fairdesk, available in the US, in Canada. You can use a VPN if you want or not. No KYC required. It's the best exchange out there, period. It's the one I use personally, okay? And of course, guys, if you want the real gold, you want to make the real returns, you've got to join the Right Trader Elite Telegram VIP group. Link down in the description below. I want to see a bunch of you guys join. You are not going to regret this, guys. We're already set up for our trades. It is not too late yet. You can see Bitcoin just waiting patiently here at 42K before it's going to blast off in a matter of days. And some altcoins, the right ones, the ones that we are long right now on leverage, are going to outperform Bitcoin's move massively. So you can only imagine the type of returns we're going to make. With that being said, guys, I'll see you soon. Make sure to check out all those links down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.